because that's enough seasoning to season up my meat. I mean my greens. Let's go ahead. I like to have the tail hold. Let's put that in between some of these greens. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. How is everybody doing? Good. Because we're back with another video. So guys, today I am cooking some smoked turkey. That's what we have over here in the pot. Pre-boiling, you guys. I don't know. Let's see if we can move you. Smoked turkey. And yes, you guys, I'm sitting you back down. So yes, we're gonna do some smoked turkey and Kale greens. That's what we're having. Now, our Kale greens are in the sink. As you guys, let me turn you slowly. They are in my sink. And we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this video started because we got the holidays and I know a lot of you guys wanna have a different type of flavor of greens going on your kitchen table, right? Well, dining room table too. But anywho, you guys, I wasn't going to make this a video, but I decided to. So, yeah. That's what we're doing today. And in our Kale greens, along with our Kale greens, I must say, we're going to have us some cornbread. I think I'm going to go the Jiffy way out. But anyway, the purpose of this video is to show you how to cook some Kale greens. And if you're not, familiar with it, I do have a video where I'm teaching you how to pick the greens. But hey, stay tuned because we're going to submerge these once I get them where I need them to be. So right now, I just got them boiling in some water, okay? I haven't had added any chicken broth in this yet, but chicken broth will be added in there, and I'll show you guys just how I'm gonna do it. Okay, guys, so we let our meat boil a little, because I don't let it fully cook. I don't let it fully cook. Because I just need this water to be flavored. So I'm going to take my meat out right quick. I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to add our greens, despite what kind you have. I have Kale, and I'm just going to submerge some greens over in this pot, right? We're going to let these cook down because I got a lot. I had 5 bundles of greens and 1 smoked turkey wing. And yes, that's going to be enough meat to flavor this. That's how you know your greens are clean, because your water will not have any grit in it, okay? So you want to make sure that you wash your greens thoroughly, whether you use salt or whatever. So let me get some more greens. And we're just gonna put enough on here to cook this down. We're not going to add any seasoning, even though I see a lot of people actually put seasoning as they go along. I don't and will not ever do that. But to different folks, different strokes. Okay guys, so now we have cooked all of our greens down. Like I said before, this is all types of greens, okay? You can cook them any way you want to. Okay, now this is our meat that we had. Well, we have, not had, okay? Now, my next step is I'm going to pour because this is the oil I'm working with. I'm Weston canola oil. So, I'm going to pour because I can eyeball it. Just approximately a half a cup. Approximately. Okay? So we're going to get that on in there. And you can use whatever seasoning of your choice. You guys know I work with my house seasoning. If you don't know, now you know. Okay? So I have a special blend, which I got to make some more of. But I'm just going to put me a little bit in there. You can use whatever seasoning you like, okay? Whatever seasoning you like. These are the steps, okay? Now, I'm going to put, let's stir that on in here. Put that seasoning to the bottom. Because that's enough seasoning to season up my meat. I mean my greens. Let's go ahead. I like to have the tail hold. Let's put that in between some of the greens. Now remember, smoked turkey is already pre-cooked. But we're going to put that on the other side. Now I'm going to let it keep cooking for a minute. I'm going to try to get it to the bottom. And cover that up. I'm going to let these greens cook approximately 2 hours. But before I serve, I will definitely be taking the bones out. And going to put that juice right back in there. I like to keep those containers. I think I get them from Applebee's. They come in handy for me. Not that I don't have any bowls. I just prefer to have them. And so we're going to let this cook for approximately 2.5 hours. And then we'll be back with the closing. Okay guys, so at some point I did cut up my meat. I did cut up my turkey meat. Because it was good and tender. And yes, I kept my tip because that's my tip. I love my tip for my turkey. So, yeah. Now, at this point, even though it made its own juice, I'm going to take that juice up a notch. We have some chicken broth, okay? I'm just going to put me some chicken broth around here, as you see, to go along with the juices. And I'm just going to go ahead and let it cook for approximately extra half an hour. Because at this point, our greens is pretty much done, okay? You can add crushed peppers in this. You can add whatever seasoning, like I say, you guys want. Because this ain't, this is going to be a great pot of greens. But if you would like the reminder of what type of green I made Kale greens. And yeah, check out the description. Well, not so much the description, but check out the rest of the channel, and you will see that I love myself some greens. I cook them always a different way, pretty much. As you know, hey, I like to bring different ideas to the channel when it comes to cooking. Southern, homemade food, you know, comfort food, country food, you name it, your girl got it, okay? So, meantime, what we're going to do is get ready to let this cook an extra half an hour, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But those are the same steps that you would take for any type of green or, you know, whatever you would like to cook as far as greens, cabbage, you know, Brussels sprouts, you know. Take those steps, reduce the water. Always start off with at least a quarter of water in your pot. This took 5 bundles of Kale greens, and as you see, it cooked down to nothing. So I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and check on this cornbread, because we got the cornbread in the oven, you guys. Let me see if I can show you guys. We got the cornbread in the oven. So yeah, there go the cornbread in the oven, you guys. We got us a cornbread loaf that's gonna go with the greens, and yeah, that's just gonna complete my video, you guys. What's cornbread? Well, what's greens without the cornbread, right? So until then, you guys, I am getting ready to close out, and I'm sending much love from my house to your. Wait a minute, you want to see the cornbread? Okay, well, let me see if I can reach down here and show you guys this cornbread a little closer. There you go. I don't want to take it out the oven, you guys. Don't want to take it out the oven. There you go. We got a cornbread loaf. Okay, but anyway, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. Sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.